In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate LinkedIn Sales Navigator with Salesforce. Whether you're a seasoned Salesforce user or just getting started, this integration can enhance your lead generation and sales activities significantly by providing genuine and valuable insights right within Salesforce. So let's dive right in and get this set up quickly. Firstly, you'll need to log into your Salesforce account. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do that now. Once you're on the home page, the next thing you'll want to do is locate the gear icon, which you'll find in the top right corner of the interface. This gear icon will take you to the Setup menu, which is your starting point for customizing Salesforce. Click on Setup and then select Advanced Setup to proceed. Now that you're in the Advanced Setup section, there's a handy search bar called Quick Find. Here, type in LinkedIn Sales Navigator. This is where we begin to unpack the steps that will fully integrate LinkedIn into your Salesforce environment. Once you type that into the search bar, you will see LinkedIn Sales Navigator Setup appear in the list. Go ahead and click on it. The next step is pretty straightforward. Look for the Authorize button on the Setup page. Clicking this button will enable you to connect your LinkedIn account with Salesforce. After clicking Authorize, you will be prompted to enter your LinkedIn credentials. It's crucial here to ensure that you're connected to the correct LinkedIn account to avoid any issues later on. Now, LinkedIn requires you to grant permissions for this integration, so follow the prompts to allow access rights. This step is essential as granting these permissions ensures that Salesforce and LinkedIn can communicate and share information seamlessly. Rest assured, these permissions simply allow the two platforms to work together effectively. After you've authorized and granted permissions, we move to LinkedIn's own settings. Navigate to where it says Purchase and Install Sales Navigator. This is critical because to proceed with the integration, you must have the Sales Navigator package. Finally, install the LinkedIn Sales Navigator package in your Salesforce organization. This installation is the last step in this process and ensures that the application is available directly within your Salesforce dashboard. Once installed, you can start taking advantage of the powerful insights and tools that LinkedIn Sales Navigator offers directly in your Salesforce environment. And there you have it, 8 comprehensive steps to get LinkedIn Sales Navigator integrated into Salesforce. It's a simple yet powerful combination that can elevate your business development process. Make sure everything is functioning as expected before you dive into using your new tools. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Happy selling, and see you in the next video.